This is what I look like in real life. Hola, buenas! Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a makeup look with all cruelty-free makeup. We're gonna look super cute without hurting any animals, which is what I'm all about. And yeah, now let's get into the video. Alright, so I've done my brows already. Let me fix these sleeves. Hold on. Brief intermission. I look so messy. I always look so messy. Alright, so I have done my brows already and skincare. My brows have been growing out, so I've just been kind of dealing with whatever it is that I have. So I've been doing it really messy as of lately. So yeah, these are my brows. What am I doing? I also did my skincare already. I used this mask from the Creme shop. It was 75 cents at CVS, which was incredible. It is really good for people who have acne prone combination skin like myself. My skin is doing a whole lot better than the last time you guys saw me. I have like a couple hormonal breakouts, but nothing too bad. As you can see, you know, right here, skin's popping. And now we're going to hop into doing my eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up my base using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Then I'm going to be setting my concealer using Pink Silk from Morphe. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. I'm going in with the Nicol Concilio Violet Voss palette and using the shade Bruh as my transition. Using the Colourpop single shadow in the shade Team Captain, I'm going to be building up the smokiness slowly but surely. To add something fun to this look, I decided to use the Colourpop shadow in the shade Glass Bull as my inner corner. Using my Youngblood powdered foundation, I'm mixing in the light and the shade Cool Beige just so that I have a nice even coverage. I love Milani. They're cruelty free, they're affordable, it makes me so happy. I'm using the blush Luminoso on my cheeks to give me a nice little glow or something. To finish up the look, I did mascara, falsies, and then I am putting Bruh underneath my lower lash line. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe, like, share. If you also are into cruelty free makeup, go ahead and leave all of the brands that you like to use down below. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.